2023 GMC Terrain. With less than 78,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.